Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: Unity Hub, a matching Unity editor, and Visual Studio Community with the game development workload. Install those now, then open Unity and set Visual Studio as your external script editor. Once done, open any C# script to force Unity to generate solution files. Make sure Package Manager installs Visual Studio tools for Unity automatically. If not, add it. This gets your project linked and creates the SLN so code navigation and build integration are ready. Next, configure the middle steps to make editing and debugging seamless. Regenerate the SLN and csproj by using Assets Open C# project so Visual Studio sees all assemblies. In Visual Studio, enable Visual Studio tools for Unity and confirm IntelliSense loads. When you test, enable development build and script debugging in build settings, then use Attach to Unity from Debug menu. Also create or sync assembly definition files if you use them, because they change project file generation and code resolution. Finish by polishing the integration. Set your preferred code style in Visual Studio, import Unity-specific snippets, and confirm build configuration is set to debug. Test play mode debugging and step through breakpoints. Make sure breakpoints are solid red, not hollow. If autocomplete or debugging fails, close Unity and Visual Studio, delete the SLN, csproj, and VS folder. Then reopen Unity and choose Open C# project to regenerate. That simple regenerate trick fixes most sync and IntelliSense problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.